Good day, everyone, especially to you, dear instructor, Mrs. Lynette Pingot. I'm Apple JC Enriquez from BSBE 1B. Today, I will discuss about the Philippine Festival, the continuation to the report of Mr. Lorgy Kaayon. So, our objectives is at the end of the discussion, students will be able to explore the cultural heritage of Ati-Atihan Festival and Carabao Festival. Ati-Atihan Festival is a vibrant celebration held annually in Calibo, Aklan. Honors the Santo Niño, showcasing the rich cultural heritage of the Philippines. This festival attracts many numerous visitors and tourists, offering unique glimpses into local traditions, music, and dance that defines the historical background. The Ati-Atihan Festival traces its roots back to the 16th century when Spanish colonizers arrived. It symbolized the Christianization of the indigenous Ati people. The festival evolved over the years, blending religious and cultural elements that reflect the history of the region. During the festival, various activities take place during the festival: street dancing, parades, religious processions, mass highlights the event. The atmosphere filled with music and dancing and deep sense of the community spirit. Historical of significance of Ati-Atihan, this helps boost the tourism of the Kalibo because of thousands of visitors back to witness the festivities, provides opportunities for local business, promotes the rich cultural heritage of the Philippines on a global scale. So, Ati-Atihan Festival, a week-long celebration in the Philippines that honors the Santo Niño Infant Jesus and the indigenous Ati people. The festival's core purpose is to honor indigenous Ati people, the original inhabitants of Panay Islands. Participants paint their faces black, symbolizing the Ati in a gesture of respect and acknowledgement of their cultural heritage. So, the historical interaction between the Ati and later Malay settlers, highlighting the peaceful exchange and integration of this culture. Festival features traditional costumes, music, and dance, showcasing the rich cultural heritage of the Philippines and s- specifically the Aklan region. In essence, the Ati-Atihan Festival acts as a powerful symbol of cultural identity, community spirit, and religious devotion. It's a celebration that transcends time, preserving traditions, fostering unity, and showcasing the vibrant spirit of the Filipino. So, Carabao Festival is a vibrant celebration held annually in the Philippines, showcasing the cultural heritage of the regions. Honor the Carabao as the festival animal in Filipino agriculture. Features various activities such like parades and contests reflecting to community spirit and traditions. Historical significance of Carabao Festival. Originating as a means of appreciation of the hard work of the farmers, celebrates the importance of Carabaos in agriculture, emphasize the connection between the community and their agriculture practices. Carabao festivals serves as a vibrant celebration of agriculture, faith, and community. It honors the Carabao, the farmers who rely on it, and the traditions that have shaped Philippine rural life. The festival also contributes to the local economy and promotes the country's cultural heritage. Festivities and activities. There are the activities filled in the festival: Carabao race, beauty contests, cultural performances. The events not only entertain people but also promote community bonding and a sense of pride in local traditions, showcasing the unique culture of the region. Conclusion. So, Ati-Atihan Carabao Festival is more than a festival. It is celebration of faith, culture, and community. It highlights the resilience and unity of the Filipino people, reminding us the importance of tradition in our ever-changing world. So we must embrace the celebration and vibrant spirit of Ati-Atihan and Carabao Festival.